Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. I've got my coffee here this morning and it's looking like it's going to be a great week in crypto. And we saw the market make a great turnaround yesterday. Bitcoin up over 50K, Cardano continuing to set new all-time highs each and every day, which is just absolutely insane. So in this video, we're going to talk mostly about Cardano and Shiba Inu and sprinkle in some other tidbits surrounding the entire market. And real quick, if you haven't checked out some latest videos here up on the channel, the Alchemy Pay video is one to watch. Huge partnership coming there soon. Cardano should just still get in while ADA is making waves and setting new all-time highs. And of course, you can go rewatch our live stream that we did last night, and then we've got a few Shiba Inu updates sprinkled in here as well. So, as always, thank you so much for the support here on the channel. Before we hop into it, just want to talk about our Patreon page. So we got the supporter level and the insider level. You can see there down below. I'll drop this link down in the description. Go check it out. We'd love to have you join. We've got up over 100 patrons now. I think we're up near 115 actually. We continue to add more each and every day, and they're adding great pieces of information to the conversation. So come on over and join us. We'd love to have you. All right, so let's hop into Shiba Inu right here. And so finally, we're getting a little bit of market movement. SHIB hasn't moved as much as we'd like to see, but it is up about 1% right now, along with Dogecoin, one of its counterparts that tends to run pretty similar to SHIB. We can see here on the charts, here's Dogecoin running a little bit higher, 2.70% up over 32%. But SHIB has a tendency to break out by itself, right? And we saw that kind of happen back in here last week. So it's interesting here to look at, to note, we were kind of flirting with this range last week. We did a nice little subtle dip down to the 7.9 level. And then from the 7.9 level, we shot all the way up to the 9.5 level. So it'll be something to watch here. Can we get a big jump in the charts like this again here for SHIB? We might be able to get some Webull news this week. That would be big. Of course, the big catalyst always looming with a Coinbase and Robinhood. In due time, I think those things come to fruition. But I think the overall market's going to help us too, right? Just kind of moving up, generally speaking, with Bitcoin doing what it's doing right now, up over 50K, which I love to see. Let's take a look at Bitcoin, actually. Look at BTC. This is awesome. I mean, big moves here for BTC. So this was about 4 days ago. We got the pullback with Bitcoin all the way down to 43,952, and now we're up over $50,261 at the time of this recording. Ethereum also moving higher here. This was yesterday. We were down in the low 3100s. Ethereum now in the 3300 range. Love to see that. But the big winner here has been Cardano. Cardano just continuing to move higher. It has set a new all-time high at $2.87. And wow, Cardano yesterday was around 250, 255, and I messaged the patrons. I said, keep an eye on Cardano. I usually don't like to add onto my position while we're at the top, but I just think this thing is going to run and keep running, at least leading up to September 12th. Trading volume right now on Cardano is up 43.48%, which is just massive. And we could take a look at the 7-day low, 7-day high. How about this? A week ago, we were at $1.89. We weren't even at $2 yet. Not even a week, probably. How about this, though? In the 30-day, in the 1-month range, $1.19 in the last 30 days was the low. How about the 52-week low? 7 cents. I know a lot of people mentioning they got in Cardano around the 20-cent mark. A couple people in our Discord. Wow, congratulations out there. That is an awesome, awesome return, and keep rolling. So the overall crypto market is up 2.39% increased over the last day. There's Cardano, one of the biggest winners. Let's take a look at some of the biggest winners in and around the top 100. And here comes AMP. Finally, AMP is up 21% here. Tailcoin up 25%. Dash and Monero making some nice headway here. Avalanche has been a huge winner as well. as well as Rune, Thorchain doing well, up 15%. But let's talk about AMP. So finally, we're seeing some movement here on AMP. I'll probably do a longer video here on this one. Great to see it's up, and we're popping up there, up over the 7-cent range here. It's been quiet. It's been dormant for a long time. The trading volume coming in, though, to AMP up 551% right now. That is a ton. That is a huge percent increase on AMP right now, and we're finally seeing that pop in the charts. That's a nice looking chart pattern too for AMP, by the way. I think obviously a lot of potential catalysts out there working with collateral, which is what AMP does. So this is one we talk about quite a bit over at the Discord, and a lot of people have been asking, when is this thing going to break out, Zach? What's going on? What's going on? I said, just be patient. Be patient. It's coming. It's lagging behind. It's one of those altcoins that's lagging behind. And here we go today. That's great to see. So how about the Crypto Fear and Greed Index? This is now at 79. So we are certainly in extreme greed mode. Will we get a pullback here sometime this week? I do think we will. I don't know if it'll be today because we just started rallying last night. So be on the lookout for that. There might be an opportunity at some point this week to buy some dips. I think we are due for somewhat of a decent sized correction. Okay, because we've just been running very hot right now. And so just keep that in mind. I do think we're going to get a correction here at some point. Now, the one that's been not really correcting a lot is Cardano, and I think this trend continues. I think ADA continues to move higher regardless of what the overall market's going to do. That's just kind of what I'm thinking. Now, we do also have some SHIB news to cover here at the back half of this video, so let me pull up Twitter real quick. So SHIB, the rewards are back out. So finally, Shiba Inu rewards are back in the hands of the stakers over from Shiba Swap. So let me pull that up. The SHIB token actually tweeted out some things late last night. SHIB token, let's follow them over there if you don't already. Closing in on 1 million. We're getting closer and closer. So here we go. Let's see here. Where we at? Here we go. Shiba Swap returns distribution process has finished. We apologize for this delay and want to thank the SHIB Army for their patience during this last week. Another exchange has added SHIB too. We talked about that one a little while back, but Batavo. That's the one out of Norway, I believe, right? Oh, the Netherlands. There you go. So here we go. They said, as per schedule, the bone per block has lowered to 80 from 90. This speed will keep decreasing each month until it finally stops when 250 million tokens have been minted. And it says, for anyone who has staked SSLP in our farming contract, this is an option we give to withdraw funds by interacting directly with the contracts. So SHIB, the official token, actually putting some interesting information out there, but the big information was that the returns distribution process has finished. You can now claim your rewards. So there you go, SHIB Army. They apologize for the delay and want to thank them, all of you, for their patience during the last week. Anybody in the SHIB Army out there. So, all right, this has been kind of an overall crypto update. It's a SHIB update, but we sprinkled in some other assets in there. Let me know if you like this style too. Drop your comments down below. If anything interested you, share this with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.